At one time in his life, but not at that time.
At that time, was he working?
Yes.
Where?
UPS, I believe.
And when eBay voiced these concerns to you, You told him not to worry about it. Is that right?
Yes.
At some point, did you speak to World about what happened to Peanut?
I don't remember the conversation of speaking to World about it. I remember talking to eBay about it in front of 433. And World jumping out of his truck, coming up to us laughing, grabbing eBay playfully and telling him, "Don't tell Boo, don't tell Boo," smiling. I'm like, I already know. And they walked off. I don't remember if I got in the truck with them or not.
Was that the first time you saw World after you learned about Peanut's death?
Yes.
Now, at some point that night or the day after, did you go to World's mother's house, Ms. Hardy's?
You said what?
At some point after this, did you
Yes.
go to Ms. Hardy's?
Yes.
Where was that?
In Queens.
And what was the reason to go?
We was all meeting there.
When you say we all, who was meeting there?
CMB members at that time.
Do you remember who was there?
Me, eBay, Thor, Taz, Moo, and World.
Was there a reason for the get-together?
Peanut was dead.
Was there anything, do you remember anything playing on the television or anything unique about what was going on in the apartment?
They were playing the news clip in Peanut's death.
Now, did you speak to World at Ms. Hardy's house?
Yes.
And what, if anything, does he tell you concerning about any of his concerns on that particular day?
Oh, we were in the back room and we was talking, and he started talking about how there was money on his head for killing Hamo, and Mike Tyson put the money up, and he wanted to kill Mike Tyson.
Let me just back up. When you say money, when he said there was money on his head, what does that mean?
That somebody was paying for a contract on him.
To kill World?
Yes.
Who did he say was paying that contract?
Mike Tyson.
And which murder was he referring to?
Homicide.
Now, did you learn there was a relationship between Mike Tyson and homicide?
Yes.
So what was that?
That was a childhood friend and his bodyguard, I guess.
Who was present when World mentioned that Mike Tyson had a...
Say again.
Who was present for this conversation?
All the names I just named. Me, eBay, World, Taz, Thor, and Moo.
And was there any concern about what World wanted to do?
Yes. We all was. But Moo probably spoke the loudest, saying Mike Tyson was Muslim and we shouldn't kill a Muslim.
Did World agree?
No. World said, I'm Muslim, and he put that money up.
Was there any decision made at that time as far as what to do concerning the Mike Tyson threat?
I mean, you can say we were split, because Moo was saying don't do it because he's Muslim, but World was saying it doesn't matter. So, I mean, if World would have called us and we synced with him, we would have did it.
Did anything happen concerning Mike Tyson?
No.
Now, you said that were in Schenectady before this. Did you go to Schenectady after Peanut's murder?
I believe so.
And you said you were selling drugs there, is that correct?
Yes.
So who were you selling drugs with?
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 Myself. A guy. It was different guys selling up there, but I was mainly selling for myself. And if I get drugs on consignment, I would sell those.
Who were you getting the drugs from?
I would get drugs from World, and I would buy drugs also.
What was the reason to go to Schenectady?
It was a lot more money being made, than in Brooklyn.
Why is that?
Because the coke prices are higher.
And you said you would get your drugs from World at times, is that right?
Yes.
Can you explain how that worked?
He would give me some weight in drugs and would tell me how much to bring back.
When you say weight, can you explain that to the jury?
Wholesale, like, if he gave me a wholesale amount of drugs for $8,000 and he told me to bring back $16,000, I would bring it back, because I would probably be making about $24,000.
And that's because the prices were higher in Schenectady?
Yes.
When he gave it to you, would it be on consignment?
Yes.
Was he able to make money off the higher prices as well?
Yes.
Now, you had told us that there was parole violation for you. Is that right? At this time?
Yes.
And at some point, did you get arrested for that parole violation?
Yes.
And did you get stopped in a vehicle?
Yes.
And what happened as a result?
They stopped me and I had a fake driver's license. And they took me down for the driver's license and found that I had a warrant and they locked me up. I did a year.
What year was that?
01/02.
Now, while you were in prison for that parole violation, were you interviewed by the New York Police Department concerning the death of Peanut?
Yes.
And were you asked questions?
Yes.
Were you asked about your involvement?
Yes.
And did you tell them the truth on that?
No.
When did you get out after that year? Do you remember?
2002, around summer.
Summertime of 2002?
Yeah.
Where did you go at that time?
I paroled to my mother-in-law's house.
Where was that?
345 Classon.
That's back in Lafayette Gardens? Is that right?
Yes.
Now, what's kind of the state of Cash Money Brothers at that time?
It's kind of divided.
What do you mean by that?
Everybody's kind of breaking off into their own little thing.
Was there anyone who was in Lafayette Gardens on behalf of World?
Yes, I believe it was Stroh.
Who is Stroh?
Some new guy World started bringing around.
Did you know him before you went to jail?
No.
Let me show you what's been marked for identification as... I don't believe it's in evidence yet. This is Government Exhibit 13.
That's fine.
You want 13 in evidence at this time?
Yes, Your Honor.
No objection. In evidence.
Do you recognize that photo, Mr. Bryant?
Yes.
Who is that a photo of?
Stroh.
And just to clarify, this is now the summer of 2002. Is that right?
Yes.
That you meet Stroh?
Yes.
And who would set up Stroh in Lafayette Gardens?
World.
Did he have workers there as well?
Yes.
So where was World living at that time?
I think in Jersey.
In Jersey?
I believe so.
With who?
With his girlfriend?
Who was his girlfriend at that time?
Kim. Lil Kim.
And did you, what, if anything, did you speak to World when you got out of jail?
Yes.
And what, if anything, was he doing concerning Lil Kim and her profession?
He was trying to promote her and trying to start his own label at the same time.
What, was she a musician?
Yeah. She's a rapper.
And you said he tried to start his own music label?
Yes.
Did you in any way help World with Lil Kim's career?
Well, if he asked me to do something, I would do it. If he asked me to go to the radio station and make sure that the disc jockey get a vinyl, I went.
Can you explain what that means? The disc jockey gets the vinyl?
A vinyl is an album. He had one of his artists had an album and he wanted the disc jockey to play it. I went up there. First he called me to the car. I didn't know where I was going, but he drove around the corner from me and told me to go out and give it to the guy. And I waited in front of the place with Stroh, and I gave it to the radio disc jockey. And the radio disc jockey was saying, "Tell World I can't play it as much as he wants me to play it. He'll just have to kill me."
What radio station was that?
Hot 97.
Did you learn from World concerning going to Source Magazine?
Yeah, he told me he was going up there.
What is Source Magazine?
It's a hip-hop magazine.
Why did he tell you he was going there?
He told me he was going to give the cover to Source Magazine.
Did he ask for anything at that time?
Yeah, he wanted jewelry.
Did you have jewelry?
Yes.
And why did he say he needed jewelry?
He said that's what they understand. That's what they respect.
So you gave him your jewelry?
No.
And did you go with him at that time?
No.
Did you ever act as Lil Kim's security because of World's request?
Yes.
So where was that?
At a wedding.
Where?
In Brooklyn.
Did you ever go out of state?
Yes.
So where to?
Providence. Rhode Island.
And it was you and other members, or just you at that time?
They told me to get out a bunch of guys. It didn't necessarily have to be members, so it was just a bunch of guys from the projects, mostly younger guys.
What was the purpose?
She had ran into a problem with some other entertainers at the previous location they was at, and she wanted us to protect her or show strength.
Did you get paid for any of this?
No,
Why did you do it?
because World told me to.
Did you ever commit any robberies in New Jersey around that time?
Yeah.
Can you tell the jury about that?
World came and got me from my girlfriend's house in Flatbush, and he told me to bring the gun, and we drove out to Jersey, and we drove to these condos. And when we pulled up, it was a younger rapper there, and he ran out. We came to the door, and World banged on the door, and a guy opened the door. But we know him as T-Rock, but he's a manager of a couple of entertainers. We went in the house. I pulled out the gun. We went into the house. World told him, "Give me the videos." And so he gave World some videos. And World kept saying, "There's more, there's more." And he's like, "That's it, that's it." And World got Kim on the phone and was asking, "How many videos is it?" And she was telling him, "Whatever the number." And he kept telling him, "There is more." And the police came. And I wound up stashing the gun in the guy's house. And we wounded up getting searched in front of the house, and the police let us know.
Let me just back you up. What videos were going to get?
Some videos of Kim.
Why were you doing that?
World said that Kim didn't want him to use them for some type of MTV special or something.
Were you able to get the videos?
Yeah, we got videos, but I'm not sure if we got them all. But yeah, we got videos.
You mentioned police came. What happened once the police came?
Well, they searched us and they started asking a lot of questions. The vehicle we were in was registered to a hip-hop label, so World told them about Kim, and they acted like groupies and they let us go.
So you weren't charged with anything at that time?
No.
You said you had a gun, is that right?
Yes.
Who was with you at that time?
Me, Stro, and World.
Did either of them have guns?
No.
During this time, did you also commit any robberies that would, or associated with the music industry?
Yes.
Can you tell the jury about how that would come about?
World tell me where, like, industry parties were. And I would get with some guys, and we would go up there and we would catch, like, rappers or producers or whoever enrolled for jewelry.
When you say industry party, what does that mean?
That means, like, the artist is having an album released, and so they would have a party, because they're having an album released. So there is going to be a lot of entertainers going to be there. So there is a lot of jewelry that's going to be there. Expensive jewelry.
Did you commit one of those robberies?
Yes.
What party was that associated with, do you remember?
No.
Did you ever do one with Tion?
Yes.
And who was that of?
What you mean?
What party was that?
I don't know whose party it was. I don't remember who party it was, but
Can you tell us what happened?
we went to the place. Another guy that deals in the industry told us about it too. So when we went to the place, we was waiting to see what we wanted to get. We were standing outside and World rolled by and pointed out these guys coming out. I believe it was an Escalade, but we was already looking at them. So World kept driving. He never got out. But we pulled up in front of the guys, and we had a van. We was in the car, Tion's car. And we pulled up, and we had a van parked on the block too. It was a female driver and two younger guys. The guns was in the van. So we stabbed the tires of the Escalade and we went back and sat in the car. We gave instructions to the younger guys in the van. And when the guys come to the truck and see that they got a flat, that they was to jump out and pull the guns on them. We would come running across the street bluffing like we had guns to keep the crowd together. And we did that. And we robbed him.
What did you take?
Earrings? Chains?
Did you keep that jewelry?
I kept mine for a while, yeah.
Did you tell Was World present when this happened?
No, he got pulled over after that.
You speak to him afterward about what happened?
Yeah, we spoke to him the next day and he took Tion's chain.
Around this time, you mentioned the robberies and some different things that you were involved in concerning World and Lil Kim. Did you also start selling drugs again?
Yes. Most likely, yes.
Now, did you have any start using heroin around this time?
Yes.
Can you tell us how that came about?
How that came about?
Yes.
I tried it and I started using it, like 2 or 3 times a week.
Did World ever find out about that?
Yes.
Did you have a conversation with him about it?
Yeah. My wife told him she thought I was getting high, so he came to the projects to see me and he questioned me about it. And I told him that it's not an issue, I'm not abusing it, and that was it. But like, a day or 2 later, he drove up and I was standing next to Taz and he was yelling about it. But I figured that just his way of stop hustling the projects, he wanted to put Stro there.
During that conversation, was he concerned about using it?
Yeah, that's my friend. I think so.
What was your response?
I'm going to stop.
Did you stop?
Yeah.
Eventually?
Yeah.
I'm going to direct your attention to July of 2002. Did you participate in a kidnapping at that time?
Yeah.
Who participated in that with you?
Me, Tion, Stro, Popsy, and Tion had some guy named Brown with us.
Did you know who Brown was?
Well, I seen him with Tion out of town before.
I'm going to show you what's been marked for identification as Government Exhibit 33.
We're not going to object, Judge.
All right. That's the photo, right?
Yes.
In evidence.
Do you recognize this photo, Mr. Bryant?
Yes.
Who is that a photo of?
Brown.
That's not what we have for 33.
33 is the headshot of Brown, you say it.
The confusion is we have another 33, but we have a different headshot for 33.
We'll clarify.
We clarified that. This is the headshot of Brown that you identified as 33, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, that would be in evidence now.
Mr. Bryant, how did you learn about this kidnapping? How did you get involved?
Tion spoke to World about it. I guess World told Tion about it.
Your Honor, I object to, I guess.
Yeah.
World told Tion.
You know this?
Yes. Tion told me World told him about it. World told me to hold him down. He wanted me to be there.
Hold him down, meaning?
Make sure that it goes down the way it's supposed to go down.
So what did you do?
I ran with him.
To where?
I rode in Tion's car with him to Queens, outside the guy's apartment. And the guy happened to be coming out when we got there and we followed him.
Who was the guy?
I don't know.
Did you know what you were going to be robbing him of?
Yes. Drugs.
So you went to Queens. You said you were in a car with Tion?
Yes.
So were there other people there that were participating?
Yes. The other people in the other vehicles. It was a van.
Okay. And what happened once you got to Queens?
We information Queens the whole time following him.
At some point, did you see the person who you were going to kidnap?
Yes. He got into a cab, and we followed the cab.
And then what happened?
He went to some type of bar or something, and we waited outside for him.
Did anyone go inside the bar?
Yeah. We was getting impatient, so Tion went inside to coach him out.
Coach him out?
Yeah. Bring him out.
And then what happened?
After a long time, Tion wound up coming outside the bar with the guy, and Stro ran across the street and then grabbed him and threw him in the van.
Is that the vehicle that you were in or a different vehicle?
I was in the car.
So, now who is all in the van?
Popsy, the driver who I can't remember who the driver was. If it was a female. I think it was a female driver. Brown, Stro. But I walked over to the van and made sure they tied him up properly. And when they closed the van up, I went and got back in the car with Tion, and we followed the van. The van followed the car back into. We drove around Queens for a little while, and he showed us the location where the drugs was supposed to be. It looked like a real nice neighborhood. We didn't know how we were going to go in that house. So we contacted World, and World told us where to bring him, so we could stash him at least for the night.
Let me stop you. So you said you went to the van to see how they were tying him up. Did you see what they were using?
Yeah, duct tape.
Did you help him at that point?
I don't remember helping him, but I might have.
Now you went to one location. You said it was a nice neighborhood.
Yeah.
Did anyone get out at the time?
I don't remember anyone getting out either.
And then at some point World was contacted, is that right?
Yes.
And where did you go after speaking to World?
We drove to Brooklyn.
Do you remember where in Brooklyn?
To Bed-Stuy. To, I believe, it's Classen and Lexington. On Classen Avenue.
And why did you go to that location?
Because World told us to come there.
Did you see World at some point?
Yeah, I seen him there.
At Classen and Lexington?
Yes.
So what happened then?
He had another guy with him, Rob. And he said we were going to use Rob's spot, so hide the guy in.
Was it Rob's apartment?
No, it was his crack spot.
A crack spot?
Yes.
And did you have a gun at that time?
Me? No.
Did anyone have a gun that you saw?
Yes.
Who had the gun?
I don't know who had the gun, but I remember. Tion left the gun with Brown to watch the gun.
What kind of gun was it?
An AK-47.
Now, just to back up, once you get to the location of Classen and Lexington, who is left there?
Brown.
Okay. And that's this individual?
Yes.
Along with the person you had kidnapped. Is that right?
Yes.
So what happened the next day?
Well, I drove down there and I seen a lot of cops out there. So I left. And I learned that the guy that was kidnapped got away and Brown was locked up.
Did you learn if anyone else had gotten arrested after that from this incident?
Yeah. Eventually, Tion got locked up too.
And was there any concern after Tion got arrested?
Yes.
So what was that?
That he was going to tell on everybody else?
And did you speak to World about that concern?
Yes.
So what, if anything, did World suggest?
World said he was going get him a lawyer, and so if he decided to cooperate, that the lawyer would report back to him and he would know.
And do you know if he did that?
I was told he did.
Now, after this kidnapping, how often are you seeing World at this time? This is in 2002.
Not as often as I used to see him.
And how often are you seeing eBay?
Not often.
Why that was?
I don't remember.
Was he still in Lafayette Gardens?